and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the newsprint, and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. An Israeli military airstrike on the Maghazi refugee camp in central Gaza has resulted in the death of at least 70 people, according to Gaza's health ministry. Among the casualties, 12 women and 7 children lost their lives, and there are concerns that the death toll may increase. The incident occurred on Christmas Eve while neighboring Egypt is trying to negotiate a ceasefire and facilitate the exchange of hostages. Since the October 7 attack by Hamas, which prompted Israel to declare war, the overall death toll in Palestine has surpassed 20,000 people. On Monday, official sources reported that the country has recorded 63 cases of the COVID-19 subvariant JN1 until Sunday, with Goa registering 34 cases. Maharashtra has found 9 cases, Karnataka 8, Kerala 6, Tamil Nadu 4, and Telangana 2 cases. In a single day, India saw a surge of 628 new COVID-19 cases according to data from the Union Health Ministry, leading to an increase in the active caseload, which now stands at 4,054. A Romania-operated A340, which had carried over 300 passengers, predominantly Indians, landed in Mumbai after being held by French authorities for 3 days on suspicion of human trafficking. The plane, en route to Nicaragua from Dubai, was grounded near Paris. 4 French judges had questioned passengers, mainly Hindi and Tamil speakers, as part of the investigation. Irregularities led to cancelled hearings, and the judges had authorized the plane's departure. Among the passengers were 11 unaccompanied minors, and 2 individuals remained in custody with extended detention. In a move aligning with party directives, the Karnataka BJP appointed Kota Srinivas Pujari as the leader of opposition in the Legislative Council, with Arvind Bellad as deputy leader in the assembly. The appointments, confirmed by State BJP President P.Y. Vijayendra, aim to address earlier criticism for vacant key post. Pujari, a seasoned leader with a Sangh Parivar background, brings experience to the role. The significance of Bellad and Patil's appointments lies in addressing concerns of underrepresentation in North Karnataka following previous key posts allocated to other regions. Chief Commissioner Tushar Girinath announced plans to enforce the use of the Kannada language on 60% of nameplates in commercial shops under BBMP by February 28. Zonal commissioners will survey outlets on arterial roads, issuing notices to non-compliant shops, with legal action slated for those failing to install Kannada nameplates by the deadline. Strict measures, including suspension and license cancellation, are outlined for non-compliance. The initiative extends to big malls, mandating Kannada on shop nameplates within 15 to 20 days or facing disciplinary consequences. Karnataka Minister Shivanand Patil faced sharp criticism from BJP and JDS for suggesting farmers wish for drought to secure loan waivers. Patil, holding the sugarcane development and textiles portfolio, clarified his statements, claiming that they were taken out of context. BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra demanded an apology, calling it an insult to farmers and threatening resignation if Patil doesn't correct himself. JDS President H.D. Kumaraswamy urged caution in discussing farmer issues and demanded an unconditional apology. Patil, known for previous controversies, accused the media of creating controversy and defended Congress' pro-farmer stance. A 44-year-old man from Rajajinagar in Bengaluru has been sentenced to 20 years of rigorous imprisonment under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. The fast-track court found the father guilty of sexually abusing his minor daughter. The judge, K.N. Rupa, expressed deep concern over the father's actions and the prolonged abuse, which included threats to keep the matter hidden. Along with the prison term, the court also imposed a penalty of 2.5 lakh rupees on the convict. Initially arrested based on the mother's complaint, the man was held in judicial custody at Bengaluru Central Prison. Although he was released on bail, he was promptly returned to prison after the judgment was pronounced. 197 Communications, the parent company of Paytm, has decided to lay off more than 1,000 employees across different departments as part of cost-cutting initiative throughout the company. This decision will affect over 10% of Paytm's total workforce. The move is a response to Paytm's ongoing efforts to restructure its various businesses and reduce expenses. Additionally, this decision follows the withdrawal of small-ticket consumer lending and the buy now, pay later lending segment from the UPI platform. Australian captain Pat Cummins expressed his support for teammate Usman Khwaja, stating that Khwaja's efforts to highlight the humanitarian crisis in Gaza were not offensive. Earlier, the International Cricket Council rejected Khwaja's request to display a sticker featuring a black dove holding an olive branch on his bat and shoes during the Boxing Day test against Pakistan. Cummins pointed out that there is no distinction between Khwaja's display of a dove logo for humanitarian awareness and teammate Marnus Labuschagne showcasing an eagle on his bat, representing a personal religious message. Well, these were the major headlines of the day. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.